Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about APARANJAN Paris uh, online jewelry store. Okay, so you should buy any jewelry on this store or not, they are legit or it's just another scam. Okay, so as you can see over on your screen, this platform is approx 10 years from now. Okay, and if we talk about you guys their contact information, they have provided their Facebook, Instagram, each and everything they have provided. Okay, in the terms of presentation they are 100% legit. Okay, so if we talk about the product, what are the main issues of their product, so you can see they are available on Trustpilot, and their reviews is really, you can say, good, not so much bad, but the rating is 2.3. and the rating is 2.3. the reason behind this rating is individual choices. Okay, so maybe some of you like the same jewelry, maybe someone will not like the same jewelry, so it depends on person to person choice. So that's why they are getting some negative reviews. Some of the customers are not happy with their designs, with their quality, and this is the only main reason. That's why they are getting negative reviews. But in the terms of presentation and legitness, they are 100% legit. You can buy their product, but the costing of the product is a little bit expensive. So we can say the costing should be half of their price, actual price they have listed on their website. The actual price should be half of their price listed on their website. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.